Hi everyone, family, friends, welcome to TEMI Becky TV. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my carrot oil, so stay tuned. First and foremost, I'll grate my carrots. I've already washed my carrots, so it's time to grate. Grate it like this. If you're new to this channel, you're absolutely welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. On this channel we post new recipe 3 times a week, so don't forget to press on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you will be first to be notified. Thank you. Make sure to grate it like this. Don't blend it. Okay. Spread it and place it in sunlight. And if there is no sun, maybe you are in winter period, you can use the hydrator to dry it, or oven. But in this recipe, I will leave it on my kitchen counter, and now it's dry, guys. This is the next day. So now I'm going to put it in this jar. Dry. Now pour enough carrier oil to cover the carrots, please. So guys, I'm going to add olive oil. This is the oil I'm using. Feel free to use any type of oil you want. You can use coconut ready oil. You can use any type of oil you like to make your carrot oil. But in this case, for me, I love to use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So guys, I'm going to leave this oil, keep it for the next 24 hours. Then I'll be showing you how it look like. I'm going to leave my carrot oil here, guys, till the next day. So I'll be showing you how it look like. Okay. So now carrot oil is ready. Used as antifungal, carrot oil has a strong antifungal property owing to the present carotene. Skin antioxidant. Carrot oil contains high level of vitamin A, powerful antioxidant. Carrot oil contains vitamin E. The antioxidant present in carrot oil protects the skin and promotes the skin healing with the help of anti-regeneration. Oil is power packed with vitamin C, A, and E. All these are essential vitamins which protects the body from illness. So carrot oil is a very good oil. Carrots are so healthy, guys. I love making recipe with carrots, carrot juice, carrot oil. They are nice and wonderful. They make your skin to glow. So guys, if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.